Hi everyone, welcome to WebTech Production. In this part of CSS tutorial series, I will show you the way of styling HTML element by using internal style sheet. So without further delay, let us see how to use internal style sheet. So let us start coding. Change the title of document to inserting CSS. Now let us create paragraph. To create paragraph element, we use p tag. Now let's specify some content for this p tag. This is a small paragraph. Now save the file. If we don't apply any styling, web browser will display content of paragraph like this. So let us apply some style to this paragraph by using internal style sheet. For applying style by using internal style sheet, we need to use style tag in heat section. Now let us use style tag in heat section. Now we need to select an element for applying style. In our case, we want to apply style to paragraph element, so I will use paragraph selector. In CSS, we can select paragraph by using P letter. Now between opening and closing curly braces, we need to use CSS properties. In our case, we want to change text color, so I will use color property and set the value of color property to red. Color and set the value of color property to red. Put semicolon at the end. If you don't know about these properties, don't get panicked. In upcoming videos, I will explain in detail and will show you which property is used for which purpose. So next we want the size of text to be 50 pixel. So we will use font size property and set its value to 50 pixel. Type font size and set the value of font size to 50 pixel. Now if I save this code, web browser will display the color of paragraph in red color and text size of paragraph will be 50 pixel. Let us check it how it displays. Go to file, save the file. As you can see, web browser displayed paragraph in red color and the size of text is 50 pixel. Okay guys, this was the way of using internal style sheet. If you liked this video, click on thumbs up button, and if you have any suggestion or question, you can ask your question by commenting below. And finally, if you are new to my channel and didn't subscribe yet, please do subscribe now.